What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Journey into Wealth. My name is James. We're out today. Today is Bulk Trash Sunday. I got my kid with me, but you can't see him because privacy issues. But we're hitting up some curbs. We're looking for some trash, looking for some treasure. We got trash and treasure all over the place. Let me switch the camera up really quick and we'll get moving. All right, let's try this. Oh, looks like we got some competition over here. We're going over here to pick up this table really quick, but I think this truck's gonna beat us to it. We'll find out here in a minute. Let's just ask him. Hey, are you guys gonna take that table? Oh, you taking it? All right. I wanted that table. I came back specifically for that table, but somebody snagged it for me. But that's just the nature of the beast here on Trash Sunday. People come and they get things. We already have in the back, we've got a Dyson and we've got a dog crate that's about to fall over on us. It'll probably go bang here in a second. We're picking up treasures though, making money, picking it up off the side of the road. I'll tune back in when we find something good. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this next piece into my car because I'm driving a 4Runner, but you don't have to duck down, buddy. You can't see you anyway. But I know this is the second piece that I know where it's at. I knew where that table was just a second ago, but I didn't have my back seat cleared out and put down so that I couldn't get it. And by the time I got back, somebody else had grabbed it. So we're gonna try and get to this dresser, which I also drove by earlier. The thing about bulk trash is you gotta pick it up right when you see it because people are out here doing this. Like, it's a hustle. And so if you pass something up, there's no telling if it's gonna be there in the next like 15 or 20 minutes. Hopefully this dresser is gonna be there though, because this dresser is super nice. We'll check this out really quick. Please be here. It's right around this corner. Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? It's still here. Nice. All right, check this out. Look at that beautiful little dresser right there. We're gonna go grab that. We're gonna stick it in the back of my car, and let's pull it past it. Actually, let's do it that way. Let's back up into it. So you got to beat people here. This dresser is probably a $100 bill just sitting on the side of the road, and it's a nice dresser. Is the thing. I don't typically pick up dressers, but this dresser specifically is a pretty nice cherry wood looking dresser. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So we've got a Dyson vacuum right here. Then we'll have to come up here and be out of the way. And a TV stand. What are you doing, buddy? All right. All right, so we got the dresser. We couldn't fit it all the way in there. Thank goodness the back window rolls down. We had to tie it down, make it work. Shh. Shooting a video here, bro. I've got a Dyson vacuum that I picked up for free. It's got a sign on it that says it works and everything. It's got the attachments in a bag. Just says watch out for glitter. I don't know what that means. I got a big wire crate, so like an extra large size dog crate, $75 or so. Dresser, $100 or so. Dyson, I'll probably end up parting it out and make about $100 on that. I might sell it. If I sell it as a whole piece or whatever, I could probably make $50, $75 on it if it works good. And that's all free stuff that I found on the curb this morning. So I don't know why I didn't think about shooting a video earlier. Anyway, so we're gonna hit up a couple more spots. I know where some other stuff is. And we're just gonna drop this off the storage unit really quick and then make our way back out into the wild. See if we can find some more stuff. Yeah, come on, let's go. All right, so we're back at the storage unit really quick. I'm gonna get this stuff unloaded and put in the storage, and then we're gonna go see if we can score some more stuff. That thing is heavy. So far, Dyson works good, just has glitter in it. And then we have this dresser right there. Looks pretty good. It's got got velvet lined drawers and everything. It's super fancy. All right, so I'm gonna take some pictures before I even load this up into my storage unit so that I have good quality stuff to post pictures with. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Dyson just yet, but I wanna get this thing gone as fast as I can because it eats up quite a bit of space. It's pretty tall. I mean, it's on a cart, but it's pretty tall. So we're gonna do that and then hit the road again. All right, so we just got done at the storage unit. I already listed that dresser because I need that thing gone like lickety split. Can't be having that thing take up too much space. The dog crate is still in the back of my truck because I actually opened it up and lifted it up, and it turns out there's a little bit of damage on the door, which is probably why they tossed it out. I overlooked it pretty good, but apparently I missed that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss that in the dumpster. I don't need to waste my time selling that. There's tons of stuff out there. So we're gonna go take a look for some more stuff, just like on our way home or whatever. Anything else that we find, I'll chime in and let you know. It's kind of a casual thing that we do on Sundays. We go to breakfast in the morning and then just kind of hit spots on the way home. It's almost like garage sailing. See if we can find anything good. And sometimes we miss, sometimes we hit big. So I think today was a pretty decent score between the two. At least $100 so far. And then last night I also found a curved Samsung flat screen that I'm going to part out and make some money on too. So if I find anything else, we'll chime back in just a minute. Otherwise, well, I'll chime back in a minute anyway. How about that? All right, so we're in this neighborhood. This is a pretty nice neighborhood. Like a lot of these houses are $1 million homes and stuff, but they still have bulk trash. And so I like to cruise through here just to see if they're leaving out anything nice. Furniture especially. A lot of people leave furniture because they don't want to deal with buying it. Funny story, I actually listed that dresser but 15 minutes ago. We just left the storage unit and I must have priced that thing. I priced it $125 and I must have priced it way too low because I have somebody coming to meet me in about 15 minutes to look at it, and they want to buy it for $100. I'll take a $100 flip in a 15-minute time window every day of the week. That is just, I mean, I basically picked up a $100 bill off top of the freaking curb there. So we're gonna go back and meet him really quick. As long as he shows up, I think that I'll have turned this dresser into $100 and cleared it out of my storage unit like within the hour. So we'll have to see how that goes. See, there's all kinds of people out here digging like through stuff like this right here.
That's why I said those.
Yeah.
And right
Look
there.
There's a.
And right there, what? Far away.
Far away? Is there something?
Right there.
Oh yeah, look down there. Right down there. Whatever he's talking about. Right there.
It's right here.
I don't know what's in there, but
it's right there.
Looks like just trash bags to me, buddy.
That's trash.
There's a nice couch right here. See, if I had a truck, I'd probably swing on this. Look at this couch. I wonder if it's even any good.
I think it's kind of. I think we can take it home.
It says free on it.
Dad, maybe we can take it home.
I don't know. We don't need a couch, buddy, but let's go take a look at it just to see. Look at this thing. It says free. Looks like it's in decent quality. It's real leather. It's coming out of a house that's like $1 million plus, so I'm assuming it's not cheap furniture. Dang, I might have to swing on that. I don't see anything wrong with it, really. All right, so we passed on that couch for right now because it's big and I don't know where I would put it. I think it's good for like $100 or $200 probably if I had the space for it. But unless I can clear this dresser out, if I can go back to the storage unit and clear this dresser out, then I may come back and grab that couch. But if it's there, but it's just it's a little bit too much, a little bit too big for what I've got going on, and I don't need to buy another storage unit so that I can house a leather sofa. So we passed on it for now. We may end up picking it up a little bit later, but we're gonna go meet this guy. We're gonna see if we can sell this this dresser real quick, and he said he's gonna be there in 15 minutes. I haven't even gotten home. Like, that's how quickly this turned around. I really feel like I maybe priced that thing too low, but nonetheless, $100 in the hand is worth way more than it's sitting there in my storage unit. So let's go make some money. Okay, so what's happening here is my son made a bunch of noise in the back of this track, so I decided to do a voiceover instead. And this guy here, he came over. He was the first person to message me. I actually had a ton of messages on this, so I do think that I priced this dresser a little bit too cheap for what it was. Nonetheless, he came over. He offered me $100 before he even came over to take a look at it, and I said, yeah, come on by. He came over, took a quick look at it, and almost without hesitation pulled out his wallet, gave me some money. I found out that he was a used furniture dealer, so I asked him if he wanted to come upstairs and take a look at any of the other furniture that I had. He said yes, so we ended up going upstairs and taking a look at some of the other stuff that I had, and he ended up making a purchase. All right, so we sold the dresser. In addition to selling the dresser, we made a good business relationship because he's a furniture dealer, and so when I get large items, I'm just going to call him, wholesale it to him, and we'd be good. Picked up that dresser this morning, and it's 11 o'clock. I picked it up at like 9 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. I already made $100. In addition to that, I sold 2 end tables and a bench that I had picked up like maybe a month ago, but I just hadn't listed yet. Gave me $100 for those too. So I made $200 from meeting this dude, and all from furniture that was completely free. So plus 200, I'll take it. And now we're gonna go. You know what? You want to call it for the day? You want to just go home and have some fun? Yeah?
We can just go home and wait until altitude comes.
All right, we're gonna go to the trampoline park instead. So that'll wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, favorite, comment, subscribe, share the video with somebody if you got some value out of it. You know, the YouTube type stuff. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.